What's up, YouTube fam? Telly's Life here, man. Came out to do a little bit of riding today. It's been straight blazing. It's been hot, man, all day. So anyway, decided to come out here and see what we can see. So, hope you like the content, man. Let's just go around and let's do our thing. So, if it's your first time here, welcome. Thank you for joining. I go by the name of Telly's Life. Come join me on this little stroll we about to take. Hope y'all having a good day as always. Let's get it. Yeah, guys. Finally got a little, man, it's been so hot, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. Finally got a little cool weather. So, we gonna do what we do. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. Just for a little perspective. Oh man, grass is super tall. Right now this is construction, but pretty soon there'll be houses back here. So in the meantime, we're gonna take advantage of it. I go by the name of Telly's Life. Hope y'all having a good day. Let's keep riding. Let's go. Quick announcement. So it appears that the fix that I did has fixed the problem as far as the skid plate. So I just want to mention that as I'm riding, yeah, I don't really hear that sound I was hearing before anymore. So if you watch my previous video, you'll know what I'm talking about. So yeah, the foam seems to be working. The foam insert. Let's get it. Yeah, man. So, what's up, guys? So today is kind of really just a casual stroll through, the familiar, and really today is the first kind of test of the. It's really the first test of the little small corrections I made, and so far it's feeling good, man. I haven't heard that any noise at all. So I mean, the bike runs good aside from me stalling it every once in a while. But that's just knocking the dust off, you know what I mean? So anyway, yeah, so I'm really happy with the way the bike turned out, and as of right now, I'm happy with it, bruh. So the little tweak I made was the little foam here, and it seems to be working great, man. And I changed my my OEM, I changed from my nice CNC chain glide back to my OEM glide, and no issues. So yeah, so let's keep riding, man. Let's visit the this is our normal stomping ground, so I guess we'll go see what's up with the new construction site. Let's see what they talking about. So yeah, guys, just sit back, relax, and enjoy these nice rural country views. Yeah, man, let's do it. Beautiful day for some riding, man. I ain't gonna lie. Bike pulls like crazy. I'm not lying. This bike pulls, bro. Oh my gosh. She pulled now. I mean, guys? Just 2 days ago, this was like you could go straight that way, but in a matter of a day or so, it's already blocked off. So again, whenever you go to a construction areas, always be careful. That's all I'm saying. Because that was just open like a day ago. Literally. Oh, we got a fellow rider out here. My God. Check my man out. What's up, bro?
I've seen you for a while.
Yeah, man. How you doing?
Good, man.
Yeah, man. Just out here getting some content. How you been?
Yeah, I just decided to come in since I got my clutch replaced.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was the one who said that broke it.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So we got a fellow subscriber here, man. Tell me your name again.
Joshua?
Joshua, man. He subscribed to the channel, y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So what? Tell us about your clutch.
I was over there and I hit a jump and my tire was like that and then I just dropped it.
Oh, yeah.
All the way.
Oh, okay. On the left side.
Yeah.
Oh, cool, man. Cool. So we out here. So yeah, guys, I'm out here gathering some content. Ran into a fellow subscriber. So yeah, man. That's what's up. Nice day to ride.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
It's pretty cold.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. killing this jump. I'm gonna get him coming off this jump. Dude, dude, you've been killing this. Dude, you've been catching a lot of air. You've been killing this jump. I want you to go around, and I'm gonna catch you right here. All right, cool. This kid, man, he can ride, y'all. One of my subscribers from around the way, he kills it. So yeah, I just happened to run into a subscriber, man. We out here at the construction site, and he's been killing it, man. I'm trailing him, and he's catching mad air off this little hill here. So I told him to go around, and when he come over here, watch how much air he catches. Little guy's nice. Here he come. Oh man, he's killing that bike, yo. That's what it's all about, man. That's what it's all about. We out here having fun, man. Listen. You see him? Oh, I missed him. Listen. That's what it's all about, man. Get on these bikes, get out, have some fun, y'all. I love it, man. So, listen, we just doing what we do. Hope you guys join us next time on Telly's Life. Hope to catch y'all at the hope to catch y'all riding somewhere, man, because this is what it's all about. Peace, love, and listen, man. If it's your first time visiting, I go by the name of Telly's Life, and this is what we do. And I'm out here at the construction site, and we just having a ball, man. So anyway, if it's your first time visiting, consider subscribing, like, comment. If you like the video, man, like, comment, subscribe. And how we do? Bro, you killed it, man. You killed it, man.
I'm just trying to get practice for the big track.
Yeah, man, yeah. I'm here with the little homie, and we doing what we do. So anyway, this has been another vlog, guys. Telly's Life. Consider subscribing. If you like the video, smack that like button and everything, guys. Until next time, peace and love. Stay on them bikes, man. Bike life. We out.